Adobe Lightroom versus Snapseed, which photo editor is better? Choosing the right photo editor can completely change how you enhance your images without wasting time on complicated tools. Lightroom offers professional-grade controls, while Snapseed focuses on simplicity and quick edits. Adobe Lightroom and Snapseed are two popular photo editing apps with different approaches. Lightroom delivers advanced editing features and raw image processing, ideal for professionals, whereas Snapseed offers an intuitive interface with easy-to-use filters and tools for fast, on-the-go adjustments. Adobe Lightroom is a comprehensive photo editor designed for photographers who want precise control over their images. It works by importing photos, including raw files, allowing detailed adjustments such as exposure, color grading, and lens corrections. Lightroom's strength lies in its powerful editing capabilities combined with non-destructive workflows, meaning edits don't alter the original photo. It also provides cloud syncing across devices, enabling seamless editing on desktop and mobile. However, Lightroom has a steeper learning curve and requires a subscription for full features, which might be a limitation for casual users. Its interface is built for professionals or enthusiasts who need advanced color correction, batch processing, and integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud ecosystem. Ideal users are photographers who want to maintain high image quality and perform complex edits, especially in a professional or semi-professional context. Lightroom excels in organizing large photo libraries and offers presets for consistent editing styles. Snapseed is a user-friendly photo editor developed by Google, designed for quick and effective image enhancements. It works by providing a straightforward interface with tools like filters, healing brushes, and selective adjustments, making it easy to improve photos on mobile devices. Snapseed's strengths include its simplicity, no-cost availability, and a variety of creative filters that can be applied with minimal effort. Unlike Lightroom, Snapseed does not support raw file editing as extensively and lacks advanced organizational features. It's best suited for casual photographers or social media users who want to quickly enhance images without investing time learning complex controls. Snapseed's interface is accessible for beginners with intuitive gestures and easy undo options. While it offers powerful tools like curves and white balance adjustments, it remains less feature-rich compared to Lightroom. Overall, Snapseed is ideal for users seeking fast, high-quality edits on the go without the need for professional-grade precision. Comparing Adobe Lightroom and Snapseed highlights clear trade-offs. Lightroom is the go-to for professionals needing detailed control, raw editing, and photo organization, making it perfect for large projects and fine-tuning images with precision. However, it requires a subscription and some time to master. Snapseed, on the other hand, excels in accessibility and speed, offering a free, easy-to-use platform for quick edits and creative filters. It's ideal for casual users or social media enthusiasts who want to enhance photos without complexity. In real-world use, Lightroom fits photographers managing extensive portfolios or requiring consistency, while Snapseed suits spontaneous edits on mobile devices. Choosing between them depends on your editing needs, detailed professional work, or fast quality enhancements without a learning curve. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you need professional-grade editing, advanced controls, and photo management, especially for serious photographers working with raw files and large collections. Snapseed is recommended for users seeking a powerful yet simple photo editor that's free and easy to use. It's perfect for quick enhancements and creative edits on mobile devices, offering excellent results without the complexity of professional software.